Time to learn the ABCs. A is for alligator. B is for butterfly. A for alligator. B for butterfly. C is for cat. D is for dog. C for cat. D for dog. Hooray! We love the ABCs! Learn the alphabet today. E is for elephant and F is for frog. G is for giraffe and H is for horse. I is for iguana and J is for jellyfish. K is for kangaroo and L is for lion. M is for monkey, swinging in the sun. We love the ABCs, learning is so fun. Hooray! The ABC Adventures #1. N is for nightingale. O is for owl. P is for panda. Q is for quail. R is for rabbit. S is for snake. Hooray! Learning is so fun!
T is for tiger. U is for unicorn. V is for vulture. W is for whale. X is for fox. Y is for yolk. Z is for zebra. That's the alphabet for you.